You ever wonder why you got a good view like this? Well, that's easy. Oh, yeah, sure. That's going to come from my fan leaking oil. Anyway, it gives you an idea of the underview of the Panaban of what I did work. The suspension and the rear end from a wagon is what the Chavs is a wagon. The onboard battery's right here. It's what runs my headlight, tail light, and tail lights on the trailer. The neon light runs from the battery on the inside of the van. And you see that wire right there. The black wire runs to the side right here. It's the battery door. Put the plug it in like you're filling the tank up again. And the rear van's right here. If I'm going to grease up the wheel for the car show's coming up this weekend. And I'll be working that all weekend long. Oh boy. That'll be the day. Yeah, I'll get security work. Well, if you do. That's the tricky part is you don't have parking brake on this. It won't take much grease because I had it greased up before with red lithium grease. All the wheels been greased up, ready to be hauled by my golf cart. If you ever wonder why I got this here, that's my tailpipe, but if I have a wire that can make it smoke, there's the pipe right there. Works out pretty well. Well, this thing's ready to go. Might add a little bit of oil on the steering, but other than that, it's ready to go. My suspension oiled up. Alright, it's ready to be rolled off. Here with my South stem cap. Pistons. I gotta wash my windshield down. I'll get it all dusted up and ready to go. Keep you posted for a car show.